Hello students, today in this session we will see the rainbow formation. It is the topic of class 10, human eye and colorful world. So let us discuss that what is the rainbow and how many types it has and how it is made. Okay, so let's see what happens during a rainbow formation. Okay, before that we need to see what happens in the sky and what are there in the sky, which is helping to for making the rainbow. Okay students. तो स्काई में होता क्या है? स्काई में होती है वाटर ड्रॉप लाइक दिस. ओके, एक पानी की बूंद होती है, वाटर ड्रॉप होती है, विच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द मेकिंग ऑफ रेनबो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ whenever the light of sun strikes on the surface of this water drop, what happens on that case? Okay, so actually student, here we can clearly see that the surface of this raindrop is inclined. Okay, whenever the surface of any object, any material, any water drop is inclined, that will disperse the light into its constituent, that is 7 colors. Okay, so light will spread from this portion. It will start like this. It splits itself into 7 colors. Okay, now it has different characteristics, that if light is striking at this surface, okay, if there is no total internal reflection, okay student, then what will happen? Light will go straight. Okay, we will not get any kind of rainbow in that case. Okay, but at this surface, if total internal reflection is happening, that is TIR. Okay, what will happen in that case? That surface will reflect back that light again. Okay, so light which is striking on this surface will again reflect from this surface. Okay, now what is the total internal reflection first? We need to understand that also. Okay, so what is the total internal reflection? If the incident angle becomes more than the critical angle, okay, and the refracting light ray bends more than 90, that suppose it is a surface, it is a normal, and I am taking a light ray in this case, it is the light ray. Okay students, and it is the incident angle. If we will increase the incident angle, definitely the refracting angle will also increase. Okay student, that is tensor to rarer medium. Okay, it will also bend. If we increase incident angle in such a case that it becomes more than its critical angle. What is the critical angle? When the value of the refracting, suppose light is bending on this part, then this angle will be what? 90 degree. Okay student, and there is some kind of incident angle. If we increase this incident angle further, okay, what will happen? That light ray will not go in that medium. It will come back in this path. Okay, so what happened in the total internal reflection? That we increase the incident angle in such a way that the refracting light ray reflected back from the surface due to increased critical angle. Okay, so it is known as a total internal reflection. Okay, यहाँ पर कोई भी सरफेस ऐसा नहीं है कि जिससे लाइट रे पार नहीं जा सकती, लेकिन वो इंसिडेंट एंगल हमने इतना बढ़ा दिया है कि वो लाइट रे सीधे ना जा करके इस सरफेस से टकराकर नीचे मुड़ गई. ओके, इट इज नोन एज टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन. सेम यहाँ पर भी होता है कि यहाँ पर जो नॉर्मल है, उस नॉर्मल के साथ जो एंगल है, जो इंसिडेंट एंगल है दिस वन, वो क्या हो जाता है? क्रिटिकल एंगल से ज्यादा हो जाता है. तो इस केस में क्या होगा? जो लाइट रे है वो बेंड होके कहां आ जाएगी? दूसरी साइड में. मतलब उसके अंदर ही वो क्या हो गया? टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन वहां पे हो गया और लाइट बेंड होके वहां पे वापस आ गई. ओके स्टूडेंट, ये सेम फिनोमेना यहाँ पे होता है रेनबो फॉर्मेशन में. ओके, सो लेट अस सी व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस केस. सो लेट अस टेक अ वाटर ड्रॉप लाइक दिस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ if light ray coming on this part, okay, it will split into its 7 constituent colors. Okay, we will take here 2 rays, that is violet and red. Now student, keep in mind that violet color has low wavelength, that is small wavelength, and red color has large wavelength. If the value of wavelength is lesser, it will bend more. If the value of wavelength is more, it will bend less. Okay, मतलब अगर वेवलेंथ ज्यादा होगी तो वो कम बढ़ेगा, अगर वेवलेंथ कम होगी तो वो ज्यादा बढ़ेगा। तो हम यहाँ पे एक नॉर्मल लेंगे और उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम उसको ड्रॉ करना स्टार्ट करेंगे कि वॉयलेट कलर में और रेड कलर में क्या हो रहा है। इस पॉइंट पे आते ही अपने 7, ये जो सनलाइट है ये अपने 7 कलर्स में डिवाइड हो जाएगी। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टेक दैट इज वॉयलेट कलर, इट्स वेवलेंथ इज लोअर, इट विल बेंड मोर, दैट it will come more closer towards the normal. Okay, now at this point what will happen, at this point will be total internal reflection. So light ray will come on this path. Okay, here is happening what? Total internal reflection. It is bending more. Okay students, now it is what? It is the violet color which is coming out. Now if we draw a normal on this point, okay, as we know that the wavelength of violet color is lesser, it will bend more. Okay, here we can clearly see that whenever a light ray will go from denser medium to rarer medium, it will bend away from the normal, so it will make a larger angle like this. Okay, now we take another color, that is red color. Okay student, so let us take, at this point what will happen, again it will show here total internal reflection and it will come down in this way. Now at this point again we draw normal, what will happen, it will bend less, it will not make this much angle, it will make a smaller angle because the wavelength of red color is much more. Okay students, so it will come in this way. Okay, so it in this way we will get a violet color and a red color. It is what? It is the red color, it is the violet color. Now what will happen? Okay student, now we need to see that what will happen when we will see all of these from our eye. Okay, so it will come in this way. And it is coming on this way. Okay student, now we need to see one more thing, that here is the horizon. If we need to see the angle which it is making with the horizontal line, what we will get? We will see that according to the diagram we can see that the angle made by the violet color will be more. Okay, but in this case it is not happening actually. If I need to draw it backward like this and I am also extending it, now we need to find out this angle and this angle. Okay student, we can clearly see that from this diagram we are getting that the violet color is making the larger angle and the red color is making the lower angle. But if we increase it further, that is this light ray, because the image will be formed here. Now which one is making larger angle? We can clearly see that the violet color has a lesser angle and the red color is at the higher angle. Okay student, so red color is making here almost 42 degree, okay, and the violet color is making here 40 degree angle. Okay, and here what we will get? We will get the violet color in the downside and the red color in the upper side, and all the other constituent colors is between the violet and red colors. Okay, so in this way we get the first type of rainbow, that is primary रेनबो। ये एक ऐसा रेनबो है जो सबसे ज्यादा बनता है। इसमें होता क्या है, जो सरफेस है, अब हमें यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखना होगा कि दो जगह तो यहाँ पे रिफ्रैक्शन हो रहा है और एक जगह यहाँ पर टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन हो रहा है। सो इसी वजह से यहाँ पर क्या होगा, जो रेनबो है वो बन जाएगा। लेकिन स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन ये है कि हर बार रेनबो क्यों नहीं बनता, क्योंकि हर बार यहाँ पे टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन की कंडीशन नहीं बन पाती, इसलिए हर बार हमें रेनबो नहीं दिखाई देगा। अब अगला क्वेश्चन ये है कि जो रेनबो है वो हमें दिखेगा किस किस कंडीशन में। ओके, सपोज हियर इज द सन एंड हियर इज द क्लाउड एंड हियर इट इज रेनिंग। If we are standing on this path, okay, and sun is on the back side and raining is on the front side, okay, in this case we can easily get that the rainbow will make on these water drop, because sunlight is coming in this way and it will spread the light like this, okay, so we will get the first kind of rainbow, that is primary rainbow। कंडीशन यही है कि हमारी पीठ किसकी तरफ होनी चाहिए, सन की तरफ, और उसके ठीक सामने वहां पे क्या होनी चाहिए, बारिश होनी चाहिए। ओके, इस केस में हम क्या कहेंगे कि जो रेनबो है वो रेनबो उस केस में बन जाएगा इसमें।